Alright, are you frustrated as I was with the new Photoshop and finding and setting brushes? Well, let me show you a couple things. You can go to Window and you can come over to Brushes. Notice you'll have different brushes in here. I guess mine are open, so as I close them, the legacy brushes are the old brushes. If you want to add them, come over, click here, and go over to Legacy Brushes. That's how I added them in. But then there's another problem with the new Photoshop. So for example, if I go in here and I go to Crime Media Brushes, you notice I have what looks like just the end of them. But if I go to the Special Effects, I may or may not have this. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to click right here. And what I've done is I've changed from the brush stroke. See, the brush stroke's very hard for me to tell what's there. I take the brush stroke off, but I add the brush tip. That brush tip is what shows you the way the brushes used to be. That's the tip for today. I hope that helps you.